We're heading to park para mag-Christmas party. Sir Ariel! Si Sir Lars. May news kaming kasama. Hi! Si Auntie Eat! Okay, put me stamp please. Alright. Next! Layo na nilalakad namin. Yan.
Who has the power to change the republic of their lives and make it strong and new. We are here to witness the holy
Yung dala-dala ko. Pagod na ako.
God instituted
Layo.
the gay marriage so that a husband and a
May
wife
kinakasal.
may enjoy companionship and friendship throughout all the days
I
of
think
their lives together.
malapit na kami
They
sa
both will
aming
stand and grow
destination
together as
place.
they help and encourage each
Itong
other
nature park ng
in their marriage
Papua New
life
Guinea.
together. And also share the work and the happiness
Haba nung bangka.
and the challenges
May bangka
of the
nila.
marriage journey through the strength and courage that Jesus Christ.
Bangka yan.
God also gave marriage so that His agape love and the best value of society
My God. How many kilometers more? Sir Ariel! Oh my God. We're going to Santa's Village. Ayan o. Si Marie Chris, ang daming dala oh. Ang bigat ng dala niyan. Mga nasa 10 kilo lahat.
Yes, it's heavy for me.
Napakaganda ng tanawin dito. Grabe, nakaka-relax. Sana dito na lang tinayo yung opisina ng Able Computing. Di ba no? Hi Susan. Hello. Nagpapahinga na sila. Malayo pa yung aming pupuntahan. My God. Daming ibon. Yung cage ng ibon. Yan. Ano? Yan, nakita na namin yung mga staff namin. Mukhang malapit na kami. Grabe. Maganda. Ha? Saan daw daan? Mga bayakan. Ano, ang dami. Paniki. Ano kami? Finally. Ah. Andito na kami sa aming cottage. Dito na kami sa aming cottage. Wala pa yung mga ibang staff, naligaw siguro. Ang layo. 17 bundok dinaanan namin, tsaka 5 ilog. Grabe. It's video. Ah, say hi. Hey, Tariman.
John Kapuk. John Kapuk, please come to the front. Where are you? John. Merry Christmas. Paulus. Nancy, come. Thank you, Merry Christmas. David. Nancy. Where are you, David? Come. No name, but I think they know who it is. So. Merry Christmas, David. Winston! Winston, come.
That's job card.
Merry Christmas.
Job card.
Job card. Madeline! Medix! Come, come. Merry Christmas. To Elizabeth. Elizabeth. To the Merry Christmas. Samuel. Merry Christmas, Sandy.